Hello, this time Playa Home is gonna show you the beautiful Villa Palm. Villa Palm is located in the exclusive gated community of Club Real in Playacar Phase II. The open living style gives you the opportunity to share with your friends at the swimming pool or having a glass of wine in the living room, and why not inviting them to cook in this kitchen. That's the advantage of having one extra bedroom that can be a studio, TV room, or living room or guest room on the first level, with a full bathroom. And now, please follow me. I'm gonna show you the second level. What we really like for your kids or for having a relaxed bath. It has a bathtub. Whoops, I like it. This second bedroom also has lots of light, natural light, and with a beautiful palm. Look at this. Ooh la la! The balcony, which also it takes us to the second bedroom. As I was showing you, all the bedrooms have their own balcony, and the nature is around us. Okay? What I also admire from this property is the good quality of the closets. Look at this, and the height of the house, the height of the ceilings makes this bedroom very, very fresh. Here we are in the master bedroom. Oh la la, we are not in a hotel, but we feel the comfort of being in a very comfortable master bedroom. Why not to be here for reading, for listening music, or maybe invite our friends to do some yoga. In closet, okay, and the suite bathroom. At Playa Home, we like making people happy near the beach. We select specific properties that we think that can be fixed all your needs. A good price, perfect location, and good quality of the homes. Playa Home invites you to meet this property.